Hi, my name is Eric Teo and welcome to Fair Price Chinese New Year Special. I want to show you how to prepare a pan-fried grouper with Lee Kum Kee premium brand oyster sauce. So let's get started. First, I have a 300 gram of grouper fillet. I'm going to slice them into pieces. We will prepare the marinade for the grouper. First, we place the oyster sauce into the bowl and duck soy sauce and seasoning and sugar. And mix them well. So we're going to place the fish into the marinade. So make sure that the fish is coated entirely and then leave it aside for about 20 minutes. So right now we're going to heat out the pan and fry the vegetables. Add a little bit of oil. So now we're going to fry the garlic. And add the mini bell peppers. And the sweet peas. So we're going to season it with a little bit of salt. So we'll just deglaze with Chinese wine. And now we'll add the walnut. So the purpose of frying these vegetables in this way is that it is without any sauce. It's just a pinch of salt and a little bit of wine, because all the flavors comes from the fish. And now we pan fry the fish, add a little bit of oil and place the marinade grouper into the frying pan. And just cook over medium-low heat. Now because the marinade has got sugar and dark soy sauce, so we don't want to overchar the fish. Okay, right now the fish is ready and we're going to put it onto the plate straight away. And here you have the pan-fried grouper with Lee Kum Kee premium brand oyster sauce. I wish you a happy new year and 年年有余，恭喜发财，万事如意。